Hi viewers, today I will install Bluestack to run Android app on my PC. Guys, do you know how to run mobile app on your computer with Bluestacks? No? Okay, so now start. Do you know you can make your mobile to your laptop? Okay, so for this I have to install Bluestack. Okay, guys, one more important thing is that you can install top 10 BlueStack emulators. Okay, these 10 websites are alternative of BlueStacks. Okay, for example, if I sorry, start for first I open it. Okay, right. So I will open also another substitute websites. Opener. Copy and paste, right? So I will remove it. Guys, if you don't like BlueStacks, so you can download these softwares. Okay, it's very easy to install in your PC. It's opening. Guys, you can download it, Dolphin emulator. Okay, it's same like a BlueStack. I close it. You can also download emulators. Okay, it's maintenance. You can also download Play Android app on your PC. Okay, you also can download it. It's a Andy your desktop mobile. You can also download this app in your laptop or mobile. You can also download. Okay, it's like same like a BlueStack alternative, and you can also download this. Okay, it's also joined for Droid 4X official. Okay, you can also download this type of. You can also download, but my favorite player is like this. Okay, I try to download it. I'm gonna to download and install it. Okay, it's very easy. Oh guys, it will take some time, so I have to pause my video. Guys, do you know what is BlueStack? Actually, BlueStack provides all of the popular features of mobile Android on your PC. You can simply download from here the latest version to use on your PC to run mobile apps. Okay, guys, I have downloaded BlueStack, so now I have to install it. Guys, after installing BlueStack, you have to make account on BlueStack. Okay, and remember that it will be automatically login in your Play Store. Okay, so run. So I will install now. Click on complete button. So need 3 minutes for its performance. It will be set up your its setting. Guys, did you see it has been installed safely? So now you have to make account on Play Store. I will click on sign button. So guys, do you know this is your Play Store, okay? You can consider this window is just like your mobile phone, okay? So you can install more features like Android applications, okay? Guys, do you know you can install and use WhatsApp on it, okay? You can install Instagram also. You can play games, Android games here. So first of all, I have to sign in Play Store. Guys, do you know you can install also Aptitude downloading store? It's a alternative store of Google Play Store. It's a spell is Aptoide, and you can also use Facebook as you had in your mobile phone. Okay, you can install US Canada based mobile apps by using VPN, and you can also play games. As my favorite play game is Rules of Survival of Shooter. Okay, so I have to sign up in Google. If I copy, paste, copy, so I will enter password. Agree, accept. Guys, you can see I have login in Play Store, so you can now install WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and whatever you want. Okay, so you can use WhatsApp here. Okay, so it's a Play Store. Okay, so I close it. It's a setting bar. You can change setting of BlueStack here. Okay, you can your storage. You can change language. Okay, it's a 64 GB. Okay, 2 GB has been used. Guys, one tip I would like to give you is that you can change your location. You can use VPN because if you are using this app in Pakistan. So you can change your IP or location from VPN. Okay, so you can install more features, more applications in Android. Guys, if you go and open browser, open Chrome. So guys, do you know it's your mobile? Okay, if I write APTOIDE. Guys, you should install it. Okay, I suggest you, because I have 13-year experience in these areas. Download. It's like a Google Play Store. Okay, what is its benefit? Actually, some applications Google don't allow. Okay, so aptitude is very trusted and beneficial. Okay, for example, when you search some applications in Google Play Store, okay, if it is not available in Google Play, so you can search from aptitude. Okay, for example, so it takes some time. Guys, you can install WhatsApp Manager. Okay, start. Don't have your mobile phone, so don't worry. Make your mobile phone to your laptop and use Play Store. Okay, so you can install WhatsApp. It's take installing. Okay, so now I'm going to end my video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for giving your precious time. So if you like my this video, so please subscribe my channel. Bye bye. If you